Ever wondered how your favorite apps and websites interact and share information? The secret lies in the world of APIs, or application programming interfaces. Today, delve into the fascinating realm of APIs and explore their different types. To kick things off, imagine APIs as the waiters of the digital world. They take your requests, run off to the kitchen, or the server in this case, and bring back the desired information. But not all waiters or APIs are the same. They come in different types, each with its unique attributes and uses. First on the menu, Web APIs. Also known as HTTP APIs or REST APIs, they are the most common type. They operate over the web, sending requests and responses via HTTP. Web APIs are typically stateless, meaning each request is independent and doesn't require knowledge of previous requests. They're known for their simplicity and versatility, making them a popular choice among developers. Next, we have library-based APIs, also known as program-based APIs. These are sets of routines, protocols, and tools bundled into libraries for creating software. They're like the toolkits of the programming world, providing pre-written code to perform common tasks. This makes them a time saver, as developers don't have to write everything from scratch. Switching gears now to operating system APIs. These are the bridges between software applications and the operating system. They provide a way for applications to request services from the operating system, like creating a file or opening a window. This makes them crucial for software developers, as they ensure smooth interaction between the application and the operating system. Let's not forget about database APIs. These allow communication between an application and a database management system. They provide functions to retrieve, update, or delete data stored in a database. This makes them essential for applications that need to interact with databases like a customer relationship management system. Finally, we have remote APIs. These allow interaction between software applications running on different machines or even different platforms. They use protocols like Remote Procedure Call, RPC, or SOAP to enable this communication. This makes them the go-to choice for distributed computing, where tasks are divided among multiple computers. In summary, APIs are the unsung heroes of the digital world, enabling seamless interaction between different software applications. Web APIs operate over the web, library-based APIs provide pre-written code, operating system APIs ensure smooth interaction with the operating system, database APIs facilitate interaction with databases, and remote APIs enable distributed computing. So the next time you're sending a tweet, booking a ride, or checking the weather, spare a thought for the humble API, working tirelessly behind the scenes to make it all possible.